Sveiki! We already have quite a lot of lessons about verbs. And today I'm going to give you one more lesson, and today you will learn more than 20 Lithuanian verbs. If you want to learn how to conjugate Lithuanian verbs, please check my lessons number 4, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 201 and 207. And verbs are more difficult than nouns. Verbs can have more meanings. And I'm going to give you a verb in infinitive form and two more forms because they are very important forms. It will be infinitive and the third person of the present tense and the third person of the past tense. Let's start. Būti. Būti, to be. Būti, yra, buvo. Būti, it's a special verb and you have to look at its conjugation. The conjugation in present tense of the verb būti you can find in the lesson number 3. Eiti. Eiti, to go. Eiti, eina, ėjo. Eiti, it's to go on foot. Važiuoti. Važiuoti, to go using transport on land. Važiuoti, važiuoja, važiavo. Skristi. Skristi, to fly. Skristi, skrenda, skrido. Plaukti. Plaukti, to swim or to go by boat, ferry or ship. Plaukti, plaukia, plaukė. Gaminti. Gaminti, to make, to produce. Gaminti, gamina, gamino. Galvoti. Galvoti, to think. Galvoti, galvoja, galvojo. Imti. Imti, to take. Imti, ima, ėmė. Imti, to take. Paimti, to take. When we talk about verbs, if we don't have prefix, it means the process. But when we have prefix, usually we have a complete action. Imti, to take. Paimti, to take. I'm just giving an example, but we use prefixes with all verbs. So we learned the verb eiti, and now we have the same verb eiti with a prefix. Eiti, to go on foot. Ateiti. Ateiti, to come on foot. Ateiti, ateina, atėjo. The same we can use with važiuoti. Važiuoti, atvažiuoti. Skristi, atskristi. Plaukti, atplaukti. Vykti. Vykti, it's a general word for to go. Vykti, vyksta, vyko. And of course, I give you just one or few meanings of the verb, and the verbs, usually they have more meanings. So, vykti is not just to go, but to take place as well. Vykti. Atvykti. Atvykti, to come, to arrive. Atvykti, atvyksta, atvyko. Žvelgti. Žvelgti, to look. Žvelgti, žvelgia, žvelgė. Žvelgti, to look. We are talking about the process of looking. And pažvelgti. Pažvelgti, to look. Pažvelgti, pažvelgia, pažvelgė. Naudoti. Naudoti, to use. Naudoti, naudoja, naudojo. Rasti. Rasti, to find. Rasti, randa, rado. Duoti. Duoti, to give. Duoti, duoda, davė. Dirbti. Dirbti, to work. Dirbti, dirba, dirbo. Skambinti. Skambinti, to ring, to call. Skambinti, skambina, skambino. Kviesti. Kviesti, to call, to invite. Kviesti, kviečia, kvietė. Šaukti. Šaukti, to call, to shout. Šaukti, šaukia, šaukė. And now, if you look at the endings of all these verbs, you can see that they have the same ending, a, for the third person, for present tense. What does it mean? It means that all these verbs, they belong to the first conjugation group. So you can watch lesson number 6 to see the patterns of this conjugation group. Ačiū, kad žiūrite mano kanalą. Thank you for watching my channel, and thank you for all supporters, and see you soon. Iki.